This is the YUNZII AL68, a clean design, solid build, and packed with features. Stick around to see how one simple mod can change the whole keyboard. This is a hot swappable 65% keyboard that is compact and fits nice on any size desk. Good for gaming, school, or work. And the box comes with basic accessories, a user manual, 2 spare switches, spare keycaps, a cable, switch and keycap puller, and then of course, the keyboard. Now this board is pretty solid, sitting at 2.6 pounds. It definitely feels premium in hand. One of my favorite features is the mirrored base weight on the back. I'm a huge fan of adjustable feet, so it is a big bummer that it sits at one height. Now up top is a USB-C slot for wired mode, the USB dongle, and a switch to change modes. Now it's preset in Windows, so to change it to Mac, you have to press FN+A. The AL68 has pre-lube stabilizers, which are pretty decent. It's gasket mounted, has a flex cut plate, and incorporates 4 layers of foam to dampen the sound. The other huge plus in my opinion with this keyboard is the CNC anodized aluminum case. Honestly, compared to other keyboards that I've reviewed, it feels very durable and premium. Now here's a look at the RGBs. They are south facing and they are subpar at full brightness. Now you can quickly cycle through the lights and colors if you don't want to program them yourself. Now the nice thing with it is VIA compatible, so it's an option if you want to customize that. The battery is 6,000 hours, which is ridiculously long. Honestly, you're never gonna use it on one charge. And here's a sound test. Now one mod to transform the entire look of your keyboard is to get a new set of keycaps. Amazon has a whole bunch of colors, styles, and this one I thought was really cool, and honestly, my opinion, it looks way better than the original keycaps that came with it. Thanks for watching the video guys, hope you've enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.